Okay, so this is it. Welcome to a hands-on and first impressions of a multi-folding smartphone, the Samsung Galaxy Z Trifold. It might look like a gimmick at first, but now that I've used it, this device is actually starting to make foldables make sense. Most foldables open to an 8-inch square, but the Trifold opens twice to give you a massive 10-inch tablet that still fits in your pocket. The difference isn't just size, it's the shape. That rectangular aspect ratio makes it feel way more like a cinematic canvas. Unlike some competitors that fold like a Z, Samsung uses a U-fold, keeping the main interior display protected when closed. Under the hood, it's powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy, paired with 16 gigs of RAM. It's absolute flagship power. The cameras are flagship grade too, a 200 megapixel primary sensor, a 3x zoom, and an ultra-wide for all your shots. At 12.9mm thick and over 300 grams, you are definitely holding 50% more phone than the regular Z Fold. But perspective helps. It's actually thinner than the very first Galaxy Fold, and lighter than most 10-inch tablets. The magic happens when it's open. It's just 3.9mm thin at its thinnest point, making it feel surprisingly light in hand. To fit this frame, Samsung split the 5600 mAh battery into 3 separate columns. It's their largest folding battery yet. It's also their fastest charging foldable, supporting 45-watt wired and 15-watt wireless charging for quick top-ups. The widescreen aspect ratio is the game changer here. Videos feel expansive and fill the entire canvas beautifully. Multitasking is where it really shines. You can run 3 apps side by side, and they actually have room to breathe. It's even the first phone to run Samsung DeX directly on its own display. No external monitor required for a desktop feel. The build is well considered. They even added a small lip on one panel to make unfolding it quick and effortless. The software is smart too. It'll literally tell you if you're folding it in the wrong order to prevent any damage. Are there catches? Yes. The dual creases are visible and the 1600 nit interior screen isn't the brightest in the sun. Then there's the price. Expect it to retail around $2,500. It's definitely at the top of the flagship range. But for the enthusiast who wants a 10-inch tablet that fits in their pocket, this is finally the foldable that makes sense. Thanks for watching TechVibes. Let me know, is a Trifold in your future or is it too much screen? Personally, I think the era of the pocketable tablet is finally here. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech insights. TechVibes signing off.